Hi guys and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Elena Fargaman. In this tutorial I will show you how to create this very simple but interesting looking stitch. It can be used in many projects, it can be combined with other stitches as well. It also could be used as a border in your projects.
To begin, create a slip knot and chain 32 stitches. Okay, now we have 32 stitches. To begin new row, you have to chain 3 extra stitches, yarn over, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns and 2 fifth stitch from the hook. You can work on top loop, or you can turn around and work under the bumps. Okay, once again. Chain 2, skip 1, and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns and 2 stitch. Work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into next stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, skip 1, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 2, skip 1, and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns, 1 double crochet UK or 1 single US into next stitch. Chain 2, skip 1, yarn over, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into next 4 stitches, 1 crochet stitch per stitch, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 2, skip 1, and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into a stitch. Work the same stitch into next stitch. Chain 2, skip 1, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into next 4 stitches, 1 crochet stitch per stitch, 3 and 4. Chain 2, skip 1, and work 1 double UK or 1 single US. Repeat once again into next stitch. Chain 2, skip 1. Now we have 2 stitches left. Work 1 treble UK turn, so 1 double US turns into each stitch. To begin new row, chain 1 and turn your work, and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns and 2 second stitch from the hook. Work the same stitch into next stitch. Chain 5, skip this part and work 1 double crochet UK turn, so 1 single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches, 1 crochet stitch per stitch. Chain 5, skip this part and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches, 1 crochet stitch per stitch. Again chain 5, skip this part and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches, chain 5, now we have 3 chain stitches count as treble crochet UK or double crochet US, and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into each stitch, 1 crochet stitch per stitch. To begin new row, chain 1 and turn your work and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns into second stitch from the hook, chain 2 and work 4 times treble crochet UK turns or 4 times double crochet US turns around 5 chain stitches. Chain 2, skip 1 and work 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns, the same stitch into next stitch, chain 2 and work 4 times treble crochet UK turns or 4 times double crochet US turns around 5 chain stitches, chain 2, skip 1 and work 1 double crochet UK or 1 single crochet US into stitch, the same stitch into next stitch, chain 2, skip 1 and work 4 times treble crochet UK turns or 4 times double crochet US turn around 5 chain stitches, chain 2, skip 1 and work 1 double crochet UK or 1 single crochet US, once again 1 double UK or 1 single US, chain 2 and work 4 treble crochet UK turns or 4 double crochet US turns around 5 chain stitches, chain 2, skip 1 and finish with 1 double crochet UK turns or 1 single crochet US turns. Chain 4, turn your work. If you turn your work clockwise, your chain will turn, you will have to reposition the hook. If you turn your work anti-clockwise, you don't have to reposition the hook, your chain is fine. Okay, and work double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches. Chain 5, skip this part and work double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches. Chain 5, skip this part and again work double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches. chain 5, again skip this part and work double crochet UK turns or single crochet US turns into next 4 stitches. Yarn over and finish with 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into your last stitch.
Your next row will be number 5, row 5 similar to row 1, and row 6 will be similar to row 2, and row 8 will be similar to row 4, and so on. Continue practice on your example. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had great experience. For those who are new to my channel, if you like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.